Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device. On the application of Brave, you will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Brave and you will click. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause the errors in your app. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.